Hi kids, this is teacher Erica and welcome to math class. Today we are going to talk about division of fractions. Everybody say division of fractions. Okay, in my previous videos, I've talked about fractions and the parts of fractions. Okay, so today we were going to solve fractions. Okay, division of fractions. First, let's read division. Division. Divide. Divide. Fraction. Fraction. Whole number. Whole number. Mixed number. Mixed number. Reciprocal. Reciprocal. Alright. So these are the parts of division. The first number here, which is the letter A, stands for A. The number being divided into pieces. So it is called dividend. Dividend. Okay, the second number, which is the letter B here, the number by which the dividend is divided, it is called divisor. Divisor. And the C here, it stands as the answer. It is called the answer to the division problem. It is called quotient. So dividend, divisor, quotient. Alright. So these are the parts of division. So we have here the 2 over 5. 2 here is the numerator. As you can remember, it is called a numerator. And the bottom number, which is 5 here, is denominator. So when you do a reciprocal of the fraction, all you have to do is just to switch. The numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. Like in this example, so the number 2 here, okay, goes to the bottom, which is now the denominator. And the number 5 here, from being denominator, it becomes the numerator. So this is how you do the reciprocal of the fraction. Alright? Okay. Next, whole number. So if in dividing fractions, if you have, or if the given number in solving division, if you see a whole number, you have to make it into a fraction form. So like this one from 3, it becomes 3 over 1. All the whole numbers have 1 as the denominator. Alright, so example 3, the fraction form of a whole number 3 is 3 over 1. Okay, so how are we going to reciprocate, or the reciprocal of 3 over 1 is, okay, you just need to switch the numerator and the denominator. So from 3 over 1, it becomes 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is the reciprocal of 3 over 1. Understand? Do you understand? Of course you do. Alright. So next, okay, I just need to show you here the example of mixed numbers. So again, these are the mixed numbers. We have here 3 and 1 over 2, 2 and 3 over 5, 5 and 3 over 5, 4 and 1 over 5. Again, these are the examples of mixed numbers. When you say mixed, it has a whole number and then fraction. Combination of a whole number and a fraction. Alright? So, let's have the example in dividing fractions. These are the steps that you need to remember, okay, for you to divide fractions in a different given numbers or given fractions. So, example here, 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. So, step 1. Okay, you have to make whole number as a fraction. So, actually, the first example here, they are already fractions. Alright, so skip step 1. Let's go to step 2. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. Again, this is the divisor, right? Okay, you have to remember that you can only reciprocate or do the reciprocal only in the divisor, not in dividend. Okay, always in a second number. Alright, 1 over 3 is the second number, or it is called a divisor. So just copy this one. You don't need to do anything here in the first fraction. So just copy, then divide, and then the reciprocal of 1 over 3. So it becomes 3 over 1. And then after step 3, the reciprocal allows you to change the operation from division to multiplication. So after you do the reciprocal, you have to convert this division into multiplication. So now it becomes like this. 2 over 3, okay, just the same fraction. From division to multiplication, multiply, alright? 3 over 1. Okay, next, multiply the fraction. So go back to how you are going to multiply the fraction. So just simply multiply numerator 2 times 3 equals 6. The denominators, 3 times 1 equals 3. Now, if your answer needs to simplify, then proceed to step 5. Write the answer in a simplest form. So this time we have 6 over 3, right? 6 can be divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. The simplest form of our answer here is 2. So this is now our final answer, number 2. Alright? Another example here, if whole number divided by a fraction. We have here a whole number 9 divided by 1 over 3. Okay, so first step, write whole number as fraction. So whole number 9, just put 1 as the denominator. So 9 over 1 divided by 1 over 3. Next, step 2. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. This is the divisor, the second number or the second fraction. Alright? So just switch. So again, copy 9 over 1 and then switch. From 1 over 3, it becomes 3 over 1. And then after you switch it or get the reciprocal of the divisor, go to multiplication. So 9 times 3 equals 27. 1 times 1, 1. And then simplify your answer. 27 over 1 is, or 27 divided by 1 is 27. Okay? Our answer is shaded in color blue, 27. Okay, last one. Fraction divided by a mixed number. So 2 over 3 divided by 2 and 1 over 3. So, write mixed number as improper fraction. Okay, so 2 over 3 divided by 7 over 3. How are we going to convert this one? So just multiply. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. Then copy the denominator 3. Alright? Now proceed to step 2. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. Again, the second number is the divisor. So that's the only fraction that we need to switch or reciprocal. 2 over 3 divided by 3 over 7. Alright? Then proceed to multiplication after you switch the divisor or get the reciprocal of the divisor. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 7 equals 21. So now, do we need to simplify this? Yes. There is the number that divisible both to 6 and 21. Alright? So 6 and 21 is divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. So our final answer, which is in the color blue, 2 over 7. Alright? So that's how you're going to divide fractions. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!